Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a spirograph pattern using Python. So we'll start this by importing the required libraries. So here NumPy is used to create numerical array and perform calculation, whereas matplotlib.pyplot is used to plot and visualize the pattern. So here now we will define a function. So here A and B control the frequencies of oscillations, which is from looping behavior, and delta, which is a phase shift that changes the curve shape, and num points are the number of points used to create the curve, which is higher it means a smoother curve. And now we'll create the time variable. So here np.linspace, this creates an array of num point values which is evenly spaced between 0 and 2 pi, and this represents time t, which we use to calculate x and y coordinates. So here x is equals to sine a into t plus delta. This generates x coordinate based on a sine wave. And here y is equals to cos b into t. This generates y coordinate based on a cosine wave. And this creates a looping motion by combining two oscillations. And now we'll plot a spinograph. So this creates a 6 into 6 inch figure. And this plots the curve with a purple color and a thin line. And this removes the axis labels for a clean look. Now we'll add the title to the plot. And now we'll display the plot. So now at last we'll call the function. And now we can see this, so as we can see a spirograph pattern. So thanks for watching this video.